this is Zelda from TNZ RV Life, and today it's Vlogmas Day 16. Tony and Michael are out with my other son getting up leaves, and I am sitting here having a cup of coffee and making Crocpot macaroni and cheese. Michael absolutely loves it. I was thinking about my dad. When I used to make macaroni and cheese, I always used whole milk. And we got into this little heated discussion over canned milk versus whole milk. And finally, finally my stepmom said, "Irving, leave that girl alone." So she let her make the macaroni the way she wants to make it. And I was crying. I was all upset. And he's sitting there, because he's a man, just like, okay, she's crying. I don't know what to do. I gotta stop this. So he stopped, and I ended up making it with the canned milk, and it was really good. It was good, but mine was good too. But anyway, today I am making macaroni and cheese, and I'm using elbow macaroni, salt, pepper, butter, eggs. Well, 1 egg. I only use 1 egg. Extra sharp shredded cheese and medium shredded cheese, medium sharp or whatever, medium. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? And the carnation milk, carnation canned milk. Actually, it comes in a little container now, so you can actually pour it and put the cap back on and put it in the refrigerator if you don't use the whole thing, but I did. And I'm not sure if I said butter. I think I did, but if not. And on the top, I'll show you, I always put smoked paprika on the top, but I don't have any smoked paprika, so it's just regular paprika. So I'll show you the steps in here, what I did, and I hope you enjoy it. Medium cheddar, the sharp cheddar, some carnation milk, and I'll add some more. I like it to where it's kind of very creamy, almost not soupy, but just a little on the soupier side. That way when it cooks and bakes, it'll be nice and soft and yummy. But this is what I do, so add some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to put it in the crock pot. And possibly more cheese. Okay, I thought I recorded this as I was sprinkling this on the paprika. I normally use just a little bit of paprika on the top, smoked paprika, but I didn't have any, so I just put regular paprika on it. Okay, now I'm going to bake it at 325, probably 325, 350 for an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Just depends on when it starts bubbling around the sides. Once it does, then it's done. Okay, just wanted to show you. It took actually a little bit less in this pot because this is a multi-function cooker, but it is nice.